What if I could show you how to literally turn back time on your body in just 2 minutes every single morning? No expensive equipment, no endless supplement lists, just 2 minutes that could make your cells younger. Sounds too good to be true? Stay with me because what I'm about to reveal is backed by solid research and has already transformed the lives of thousands of my patients who now feel decades younger than their actual age. Here's what most people don't realize. While everyone's chasing the latest anti-aging supplements and fancy equipment on social media, they're missing something crucial. Your body already has the ability to reverse aging. You just need to activate it the right way. Let me tell you something that will blow your mind. Your chronological age, the number on your birthday cake, that's not what really matters. What matters is your biological age, how old your cells actually are. You could be 45 on paper, but if your cells are inflamed, your mitochondria are struggling, and your stress hormones are sky high, your body might be functioning like it's 60. But here's where it gets exciting. Research shows you can reverse this, and I'm going to show you exactly how. This 2-minute protocol I'm sharing has 3 specific steps, each scientifically proven to activate your body's anti-aging mechanisms. Let me break this down for you. Step 1 is the Wim Hof breathing technique. Now listen carefully because this isn't just any breathing exercise you've tried before. Studies show this specific technique increases blood oxygenation, slashes inflammation markers, and activates genes responsible for cellular repair and resistance. In just 60 seconds, you're essentially telling your cells to start repairing themselves. Here's exactly how you do it. Sit comfortably with your back straight. Take 30 deep, powerful breaths. Breathe in deeply through your mouth or nose. Fill your belly first, then your chest. Exhale gently through your mouth. Don't force it out. Just let it flow naturally. Each breath cycle takes about 2 to 3 seconds. After completing 30 breaths, exhale completely and hold your breath. Push yourself to hold for at least 30 to 60 seconds, but don't strain. When you need air, take 1 deep breath in, hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, then release. That's 1 complete round. Start with 1 round and work your way up to 3. Now here comes the game changer. Step 2 is the cold water face plunge, and this is where the magic really happens. This 30-second practice activates cold shock proteins, one of nature's most powerful anti-aging tools. After your breathing exercise, fill your sink or a large bowl with very cold water. Add ice if needed because room temperature doesn't cut it. The colder the better for activating those anti-aging proteins. Take a deep breath and plunge your face into that cold water for 10 to 15 seconds. Come up, take a couple of breaths, then plunge again for another 10 to 15 seconds. That's it, just 30 seconds total. If you're nervous about the face plunge at first, start by splashing cold water on your face until you build up the courage. Trust me, it's worth it. Research proves this activates cold shock proteins that trigger mitochondrial biogenesis, cellular repair, and switches on your body's anti-inflammatory system. Step 3 takes another 30 seconds and involves a quick movement burst. This activates the AMPK enzyme, a powerful switch that reduces inflammation, improves insulin sensitivity, and signals your cells to repair themselves. This same enzyme gets activated during fasting, which is why it's so effective for longevity. You have 3 options here. Option 1, hold a plank position for 30 to 40 seconds. Option 2, if planks aren't your thing, do 20 to 30 bodyweight squats with controlled full range of motion. Option 3, try a wall sit. Lean against a wall, slide down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, and hold for 30 seconds. Pick one exercise or rotate them on different days, whatever works for you. Think about what you've just accomplished. The Wim Hof breathing rebalances your nervous system and hormones. The cold face plunge activates those incredible cold shock proteins and boosts mitochondrial biogenesis. The movement burst triggers the AMPK gene, reducing inflammation and activating autophagy. In just 2 minutes, you've hit every major anti-aging pathway in your body. Here's a bonus tip that takes this to the next level. As soon as you wake up, get 30 to 40 seconds of sunlight exposure. This enhances your sleep quality and multiplies all the other benefits you're getting. Now, I need you to understand something important. You won't see dramatic changes overnight because this works at the cellular level deep inside your body. But commit to this routine consistently for just 1 month. That's when you'll start noticing the difference. You'll wake up feeling refreshed, your energy will stay consistent throughout the day, your brain will feel sharper, your mood will stabilize, and that nagging inflammation and body pain will start melting away. This 2-minute morning routine is your first step toward true healing, toward actually reversing your biological age instead of just accepting it. Make this your daily ritual and watch your body transform from the inside out. If this video opened your eyes to what's really possible with your health, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to my channel because I'm constantly sharing research-backed strategies that actually work, not just trendy wellness fads. And here's the most important part. Share this video with someone you care about who needs to hear this message. Someone who's struggling with aging, fatigue, or chronic inflammation. You could literally change their life. Until next time, remember, your best health is waiting for you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.